You could be a Russian ballerina with high heels and high kicks of steel. A sumo wrestler with flabby muscles who slaps and wrestles you down to the ground until you can't resist. Or even a bitchy, pretty young blonde who seals your knockout with a kiss. Or even a karate guy with a mohawk or a quip, who smokes a spliff as he stands over your broken body. Oddly enough that you can be a 14-year-old girl with French plaits. How weird is that? Or a Rastafari guy with a square jaw.
Let me be the blesser of all souls.
Or a fly black guy. Or a woman with the biggest natural boobs ever, who's really clever and has an arse you never forget, who punches like a boxer and couldn't be foxier.
The mark of my dignity shall scar my DNA.
With long flowing hair. Or a dark vampire guy who's really cool. Or a weird looking freaky beast man. Or a Chinese woman who fires 100 kicks a minute. Or a muscly hunk of a dimwit who hits the hardest. A mysterious man with a mask who knocks you down before you can ask why. Why? A freaky alien samurai fighter. A devilish cat girl who's frighteningly fast. An ogre who's too hard to flatten. An old monk whose drunken moves are in a confusing pattern. A cop who's after a robber on the selection screen. A thug. A violent criminal who's ugly and mean. A capoeira Brazilian woman who's a dream. A dashing young man who's thick, I mean a kickboxer. And finally, a taekwondo expert who kicks you into oblivion. And the secret boss who you're at loss to find. This plan could go on, but never mind. I'm sure you'll find someone you like.
You have no dignity. Let's fight like gentlemen. I don't lose.
Welcome to your den.
Or buy another fighting game. Or just take a hike.
Uppercut. The end.